Hi, this is Samuel. Now, today I'll be showing you how to pay for Facebook advert using the Nigerian Naira, using the Nigerian Naira card, either using a MasterCard or the Visa card. Now, people have been having that difficulty to pay in dollars, especially when it comes to running ads in Nigeria. But yeah, I'll be showing you how to do it in Naira. So, which means you're going to pay with Naira. And also, if you're having a difficulty of using your card to pay in dollars, this method is the best method for you to help you pay in Naira. So, all right, I'm going to show you a few things you need to pay attention to. All right, here's this. Now, before you could set up what we call a Facebook payment, what you need first, you must make sure you have a business page, which is your page. Either you want to run ads from Instagram, you will need to set up what we call a business page. Now, here with a business page, this is a page. On the page, you go to what we call the ad center. Now, I'm just going to show you a page. There are two ways you can set up or make a money in Naira. Number one, you can do it from your page. This is a page on the Heart Center here. It shows the payment settings. If I'm going to click on the payment settings, it's going to take me directly to payment settings. Also, you can try just use a link, facebook.com/ads/manager. I'm going to add that link in the description. Now, easily when you are using this link, make sure you are logged in to your Facebook account so that you're able to take you directly to that dashboard. Now, for some of you who are just setting up your Facebook page for the first time and you are yet to run any adverts, they are yet to run any adverts. I'm allowing this to load so you can witness what I'm about to show you. If they're yet to run any adverts, the page will be expecting you to set up what we call your country. Either you are in US or you are in Nigeria, but it's advisable you visit back to Nigeria because if you visit back to US, you may not be able to use your Naira MasterCard or your Naira Visa card to make a payment. So it's more advisable to make that in Nigeria country. So here is the dashboard for the Ads Manager. Then I'm going to go to the settings page here. I just want to take you. Now I told you there's a two method. The one on your page will take you to the payment page, while this one will bring you to the dashboard directly. If you are yet to set up my account, it's going to bring you here. And while that is loading, just to show you the two method, this one will take you to the payment settings platform, while this one's going to load the settings page. If you don't have a network issue, if you have a fast internet connection, it will bring you back to the dashboard. Now we have the two sites that are loading, which is awesome. So we're able to show you that both of them are taken to the right platform. All right, so we have the dashboard here. Then this is the payment settings where I'm going. Then I click on my payment settings and I'll allow it to load. Now, intentionally, I'm just showing the two sides. Now, people always ask questions like, can this thing work via the mobile app? At this point, the Facebook app or the Facebook page may not allow you to run except you use a dollar MasterCard or a dollar Naira card. Sorry, a dollar MasterCard or a dollar Visa card. But if your hard account that I'm about to show you is funded, you can run ads with your mobile phone via your Facebook page and via your Instagram page. All right, so when you come to the payment settings here, this is the option you total add money because it is needed for you to add money to the account first. Yes, you need to fund that Naira. Now, at this junction, I have 140 Naira on this hard account. Now, if you're using Naira MasterCard, if you are, your country is in Nigeria, you're going to see these three options: credit or debit card, Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa, and Facebook card coupon. But if your country is in another country, you are not going to see the Naira payment with MasterCard. Now, when people who are presently running a Facebook page and you see this, you might have difficulty to change your country to Nigeria. So advisable you set up a new Facebook account. If you're having difficulty there, you can talk to me. Now back here, we're going to click on Naira Payment MasterCard. You don't need to use the credit or debit card option. You are using this option. If you use the credit or debit card option, you may not be permitted to use your Naira card. So this Naira payment, then you click on continue. Then here, you have to put any amount you want to pay. You are not using all this money to run Advert. You can just put a money kept for your Advert there, so you can decide to double it or triple, make it more money you have budgeted for the month. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to 20,000 naira, and if this is naira, you can just add any figure there. Then when you click out, it's going to set itself right. Then you click on review payment. Then it tells you to make your payment. Now, what Facebook did is to work with a payment company called PayU, which make it easy for you to pay in Naira. So when you click on continue, there's going to be a pop-up box that will show you diverse details of how you can set up and use your Naira card. Now we have the PayU method here of the platform where I can have my card details. So I'm going to try and give you an example here. My card details is here. More faster, you can have the card details set somewhere, and all what you're going to do is to just I put my name here. Now the expiring date here, which is this is expire in 12. The year is 2021. Then my CV number, you got to add your CV number there, and when you're done, just click on pay. Now we're gonna try one. Let's see how it works. So we're gonna have a CV number, then I click on pay, make the payment. That you're gonna see is processing. You wait and be patient. Now what this is gonna lead you to is to lead you to the bank card you're using. Whatever bank you're using in Nigeria is going to lead you to their interface. Now here I have my banks here. It's telling me to receive my OTP, fair register phone number, or I use my hardware token. So if you have a hardware token, and here you can receive your OTP, you check the box here, you click on submit. Now if your phone number is registered with that, what next with you is to get your OTP sent to your number. Now the OTP is already on my number, then I will type the OTP, then I click on submit. If your card details are put there correctly, I bet you this next phase is going to run automatically, and your hard account will be funded. And then you can run your ads via your mobile phone, via the ads manager, via any method. If you want to learn more about Facebook ad account, you can check my page samuelabi.com for more details. I hope you'll be able to learn how to use your Naira card to set up a Facebook ad account. Thank you very much.